Hello everybody, welcome to LMT Machinery. If you have any questions on any of the machines we have on our website, please give us a call at 319-239-7702 or visit us on our website at lmtmachinery.com. You can also email us at info@lmtmachinery.com. Today, we are going to be taking a look at a Hofer case clamp. Got this machine hooked up. It is kind of long for my shop, so you have to excuse the mess. Take a look around here. The model is a KOPE, machine number 491. This is 230 volt three phase. It is an electronic opening. How it works is there is the screws here, make it go up and down, obviously, but there is a pneumatic clutch under this that essentially sets the pressure. And that is adjusted right here for your horizontal and your vertical pressure. Just so that you know, I am getting new seals for this pneumatic clutch, because essentially what happens is you got air coming in and then it goes down and you have your sprocket that's attached to the clutch, and this thing's just spinning and spinning and spinning inside of there. So it's a normal wear item that needs to be replaced from time to time. So you'll hear some air leaks as I'm running this machine. Keep in mind, I will be getting those taken care of. Take a quick look around here on the machine. The max opening on this unit is 55 inches by 98 inches. The minimum opening is 8 by 10 inches. The max pressure is 5,500 pounds per beam. So 5,500 pounds on this one here and 5,500 pounds on this one here, your vertical and your horizontal. It does have an auto open, you can run it in auto. You turn it here and she's going to close up on the box. I've got a box in there right now. You can also run it in manual. Just up, down, and you can go all the way open. I will do a quick run here and you can see her go. She does not take a lot of 220 volt power. You're just running two small motors, small gear reduction motors. I'm going to turn the air on here. I don't have a big air compressor, so she's probably got to turn on and interrupt me, but here we go. This is how you set temperature. And that one leaks a little bit. It's not horrible. This one here leaks quite a bit more. We are going to get that, like I said, replaced. But if you go in manual here, you can open it up. Got to turn the control voltage on first. Or obviously just run one. Now, if we go to auto, there's two different autos, and they'll both be timed on the timer here. So I hit this, I hit press, I'm on auto 1. And that's it. Now it'll sit there until forever, or I'm just going to do this and she'll open up. Otherwise she would have waited a whole minute. Okay, Now I'll show you auto 2. Auto 2 does like a square up first. So we hit press, and just the vertical beam moves first, and then she'll come back out. Now both of them will go together. That is the air leak that I'm talking about that will be fixed up there. But I needed to get this video done. So, do the same thing here so we're not waiting. Now you can just hit open, so open up as well. I believe that is timed, so it only opens so much. You hit it one more time. It moves about 6 inches. It's just easier than using this. You can do that and just open the whole thing. If you have any questions on this machine or any machine we have on our website, please feel free to give us a call. Again, the number is 319-239-7702. Thank you for visiting us here at LMT Machinery, and we hope you have a wonderful day.